Alam mo ba na pwede ka nang magsimulang mag-invest sa GInvest sa halagang 50 pesos only? Yes, tama po ang narinig mo. 50 pesos lang, may investment ka na sa GCash GInvest.
Sana all.
Pero ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon na GCash investment is about GFUNDS. Ano nga ba ang GFUNDS? Ito po ay isang investment funds na under ng GInvest, which is the investment feature within your GCash app. So in short, itong GInvest and GFUNDS ay nasa loob ng iyong GCash app. So dapat ay meron kang GCash account bago ka magsimula mag-invest dito sa GInvest. Bakit GFUNDS? Kasi ang GFUNDS ay ang magandang option para sa mga beginners o nagsisimula pa lang mag-invest. Ang gagawin mo is i-invest mo lang ang iyong 50 pesos or more, depende sa'yo, at ang kanilang professional fund manager na ang bahalang maghahandle at mag-invest sa iba't ibang financial instruments para sa'yo, para matulungan kang lumago ang pera or investment mo. So for today's video, I'll show you kung paano mag-register sa GCash GInvest or GFUNDS. Ang dali lang guys, just follow this updated and step-by-step tutorial. But before we start, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. And paki-share na rin ang videong ito. Alright, let's start after this intro. Go to your GCash account. Enter your MPIN. Okay, so once nandito ka na sa iyong GCash dashboard, kung makikita mo directly itong GInvest, ay i-click mo na ito. Pero kung hindi mo makita directly sa iyong dashboard, ay i-click itong View All Services. Okay, so once you're here, ay scroll down ka at hanapin mo ang GFUNDS. Okay, so ito yun guys, click mo to, itong GFUNDS. Alright, so sabi dito, confirm your email address. Please ensure that the information below is correct. Make sure na tama yung email address na nasa baba guys, kasi dyan magsisend si GCash sa'yo about GInvest or mga updates about GInvest. Ayan. If you wish to change your email address, go to user profile. Pero kung okay na ang email address na nakalagay sa baba, so click mo na ang proceed. Alright, so start na tayo sa ating registration. Actually, wala ka nang i-input na mga personal information. Ang gagawin mo lang is mag-select ka lang kung anong klaseng investor ka. And make sure na masagot mo lahat, all the questions below. Okay, so first question, what is your approximate net worth? Grabe, milyon-milyon na yung choices dito guys. Pero kung hindi aabot sa 1 million and up ang iyong net worth, ay piliin mo ang less than 1 million. Next question is, what is the source of your funds? Select all that apply. So pwede kang pumili more than one. So depende kung saan dyan yung source of funds mo. Kung wala dyan sa choices, ay pwede mong piliin itong others, pero dapat i-specify mo. So for this, I'll choose savings and income from dividends or business income. Third question, what is the purpose of your investment? You have three choices: to prevent capital loss while generating income, to have a regular income source, to generate significant capital appreciation. Anyway, kahit saan dyan ay pwede naman. So depende lang talaga sa'yo. So for this, I'll choose to have a regular income source. Another question, how much do you see yourself investing? So magkano yung i-invest mo? Okay, so as a beginner, kasi usually ang manonood nito ay mga beginner na mga investor, so pwede mo piliin itong 1,000 or less. Pero anyway, pwede naman yung 1,000 and up. So depende lang talaga sa'yo. Next question, how frequently do you see yourself investing? Again, kahit saan dito ay pwede ha. So, walang tama at mali dito guys. So, kung risk taker ka, so pwede itong monthly, weekly, or depende sa'yo. Pero as a beginner or conservative investor ka, so pwede mo piliin itong only when I have available cash. Pero mas okay rin kung weekly or monthly. Next is investment horizon. You are investing for a period of up to 2 years, 3 to 5 years, 5 to 7 years, 7 years and up. Pero yun nga, since maraming beginner dito, so pwede natin piliin itong up to 2 years. Pero kung risk taker ka, so the longer, the better. Next is the risk scenario. How much drop, loss in the value of your investment can you accept? Siyempre, kung mag-invest ka, hindi lahat ng time panalo. May mga time, minsan, matatalo ka rin. So, yun ang drop or loss. So, magkano yung kaya mong i-accept na mawala sa'yo just in case lang? 0%, up to 10%, up to 15%, or more than 15%. Pero yun nga, beginner pa ako at sa mga nanonood dito ng mga beginner, so pwede natin piliin itong 0%. Okay, so next is investment principle. For this investment, you are willing to accept low to no risk ka ba? Or willing to accept moderate risk? Or willing to accept high risk for potentially higher return? For this, I'll choose willing to accept low to no risk. Then, how knowledgeable are you as an investor? So, it's up to you kung anong klaseng investor ka. I am a new or novice investor. I have some knowledge about investing. I am generally knowledgeable about investing. I am very knowledgeable about investing. Pero, since beginner tayo dito sa G-Invest, ay pwede mong piliin itong I am new or novice investor. Then, which of the following have you invested in? So, ang ibig sabihin nito is may investment ka ba sa other companies such as cash and deposit products like time deposit, stocks, mutual funds, insurance products, commodities, real estate. Siguro, meron ka namang insurance products. So, kahit anong klaseng insurance. So, pwede mong i-click ang insurance products. Okay, so last question. Do you have a regular liquidity requirement? So you have two options. For this, I'll choose yes, I will be regularly withdrawing from my investment. Alright, so after mo masagot lahat ng questions, ay pindutin mo na ang next. Then confirm if you are a US person. Automatic na nakaselect ang I am not a US person. Alright, so after that ay i-click mo na ang next. And now, review your profile. Please check all your answers before ka mag-proceed. Alright, so kung may gusto kang i-edit ay i-click lamang itong Edit My Answers. Pero pag okay ka na ay i-check lamang itong box I certify and I agree to the terms and conditions. Then, mapupunta ka sa User Agreement, GFUNDS, Terms and Conditions, okay? So, take time to read their user agreement or terms and conditions. After mo mabasa ang agreement, ay i-click lamang itong X. Then, after that, ay pindutin mo na ang Submit. So, isa daw akong conservative na investor. Based on my answers, nag-focus daw ako on protecting the value of my money. You want to make prudent investments. So, GCash will notify you via email and SMS once ma-approve na yung registration mo. Para makaproceed ay i-click itong Proceed to GFUNDS. So, mapupunta ka dito sa kanilang GFUNDS dashboard. Pero just in case hindi ka na makabalik doon sa iyong GCash account, sa iyong GCash dashboard, ay pwede mong i-restart ang iyong phone.
A few moments later.
Alright, so after 5 minutes guys, ay nag-text na si GCash na na-approve na ang aking registration. Ayan, so nakita na naman, sabi dito, thank you for registering to G-Invest. We are happy to inform you that our partner fund providers have approved your registration and you can now start investing in the products available on G-Invest. And after 10 minutes ay nag-notify naman si GCash through email regarding sa approval ng aking G-Invest registration. So, welcome to G-Invest. And may tips din sila on how investment works and the basics of invest money. So, ganun lang kadali guys ang pag-register sa GCash G-Invest or GFUNDS this 2024. If you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. And pakishare na rin ang videong ito para mas marami pa tayong matulungan. If you want to know more about GCash, ay pakitap lamang ang mga video na nasa screen. Alright, thanks for watching, God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.